the elevator here at Macy's, Logan Valley Mall, Altoona, Pennsylvania. We got Westinghouse here. Well, these cup buttons looks pretty rare. Another one. This is my first and final ride in this elevator because the store is closing, unfortunately. Let's go up to 2. But it doesn't light up. 4,000 pound capacity. Alright, here we go. There are 2. Go back down to 1. There's no indicator in here. Door takes a while to close. There's no door close button. These call buttons look very rare. I've never seen these before. This one's pretty cool. And there's a Westinghouse. Let's hear that motor one more time. There we go. And here we are in 2. Let's watch it close. Door takes a while to close. And that's it.